Namaskar. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Vision Sparks.
You know who is the guest of our talk show today? Yes, he is multi-talented, very down to earth, humorous, and सबके प्यारे सबके दुलारे दादा.
Please welcome Mr. Emil Banerjee.
Okay, so सबसे पहले हम दादा की सक्सेस स्टोरी से स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं और दादा की कहानी दादा की जुबान.
So my journey actually it's a pretty long journey. Previously, let's start from the beginning. So I did my schooling from Durgapur, St. Xavier's, and then I decided to do hotel management. Then I joined Taj. I was in Taj, and one fine day I decided to study more. So I told this to my dad. I said, I want to study more. My father agreed. He said, that's okay. You come down. So my father was in Jabalpur. So I came down to Jabalpur. I started with GNIT there, but the center closed down, so I had to move to New Delhi. So in New Delhi, I finished my GNIT. I did my certificate in computing. I did my Microsoft certification, and then NIT Delhi decided to send me to Indore. That is how I came into this university. And here I finished my BCA, my MCA here. I did my BA. I submitted my paper in an international journal, and I joined Agarwal Group. There are so many things. I mean, there are so many nice memories. I was in Agarwal Group. Then I moved into Prestige, and in Prestige I had a nice time with Dr. Prakash Chaudhary. I was there for 3 years, and then I moved to a town called Dhamnod. Okay, so there's a road, right, and on the left and the right there are houses, and that is Dhamnod. Okay, a lovely place. You can't hide. People will catch you because it's a very small place, right? And then I came once again back to Indore as principal of Imperial Academy, and that's how it is. And I'm living from it.
तो दादा, आपकी जो सक्सेस स्टोरी आपने जो हमारे व्यूअर्स के तभी शेयर की है, इसमें कई सारे प्रोफाइल्स पे आपने काम किया, आपने बताया. मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा टफ जॉब आपका कौन सा था जहाँ आपको बहुत स्ट्रगल करके ऊपर आना पड़ा अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए?
See, the toughest part is, हमारे देश में डिग्री बहुत important है.
Right.
In my introduction, I mentioned that I did certificate in computing, I did Microsoft certification, I did GNIT, but at the end of the day, it's not a degree, it doesn't count. So if I plan to go into any school or any company, any establishment, they actually, they go to see my resume and say that, sorry. And so I decided that, I have to study more. And so study more karte what happened is I am a triple graduate. I did my MC also. And अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि let me do my MA. So this is what I'm planning. In the meanwhile, घर में पढ़ाई का माहौल इतना था that my wife finished her PhD. So अब जो है ना, she's targeting me. ना आप भी ना कर लो. So there are so many activities going on at home. But yeah, education is always possible.
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हर सक्सेसफुल इंसान के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है. तो यहाँ Mrs. Banerjee is also a motivation for Mr. Banerjee, and I think she is getting fitted into this saying. Thank you so much, Mrs. Banerjee, that आपके कारण NGDO को इतने अच्छे स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट मिले जो बहुत फुली मोटिवेटेड, हमेशा अपने लक्ष्य पे टारगेट करने वाले और कई सारे लोगों की such a kind person.
Now we will start our question and answers. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे व्यूअर्स काफी क्वेश्चंस ले लेते हैं, लेकिन इस बार हमारा स्पेशल शो है बिकॉज ऑफ कुछ टीचर्स जिन्होंने हमें क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं वो अपना नाम बताना नहीं चाहते हैं, लेकिन अपना जवाब सबसे जरूर चाहते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम एग्जैक्टली व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड?
As a child, I wanted to become a pilot.
Oh wow.
And then it changed a bit gradually, and then I wanted to join the army. आज भी वो fascination है, and given the present scenario, अब तो जाना ही चाहिए.
That's why I would like.
Yeah, I prefer to do that because I think that देश का सेवा, I mean, you know, serving the country, what the people are doing there in the army and the navy and air force, I mean, salute to them, and I'm really proud of them. Or if I can contribute in some way, तो अच्छा लगता
Yeah,
है. But then finally it's like I'm a nation builder.
definitely.
Exactly. Okay, so next question is asked by Daksha Mathur. She is also an educator. She want to ask you that what do you find most frustrating about teaching?
It's a superb question. The most frustrating is, you know, वो जो period है ना 40 मिनट का होता है. Okay, and suppose if I am teaching something and I'm in the mood, and suddenly the bell rings. So that is one very frustrating moment. Second is, you know, there are certain technical things you have explained to the child. उसमें really you have worked very hard and you have explained that concept to the children out there, and the next day when you come and you are actually interacting with them, so you have people with blank faces. So तब you understand, immediately you can, you know, easily understand that ये तो बच्चे ने घर में जाके कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं. So then that is another frustrating thing. बाकी rest is very positive. It's beautiful. I love every moment.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Our next question from Ajay Tovar. He is the TGT, Malkex International School. He is asking, teachers are backbone of nation, but least important is given to them by our government. What step we can take uplift the status of the teacher?
It is a lovely question, and I think this question, it is in my mind always. Okay, I'm always thinking about it, and this is a country of Dronacharya. This is a country of Chanakya. Every one of us knows, and they were gurus of caliber. They were gurus who stood their ground. And if I compare the present scenario, then the teachers now, the scene is pretty pathetic.
Exactly.
Number one, teachers class में तो बहुत कुछ. I mean, they are like, they'll talk about truth. They're going to talk about justice. They're going to talk about, you know, being brave. They're going to talk about standing up for what is right. सब कुछ होगा class में. But when it comes to themselves, तो I don't think कहीं भी दिखते हैं. I don't know, for the last 70 years, अपने education में क्या flaw है कि, you know, we have developed such teachers. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि, you know, that all are bad. नहीं, there are excellent teachers. हमारे देश में अभी भी there are excellent teachers, but वो ना कहीं खो जाते हैं. Because of, you know, कोई स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट के साथ कुछ हुआ and he leaves the job, you know, there is something, some politics, whatever, and that teacher leaves. Now the management or, you know, the school thinks कि that's okay, एक जाएंगे 10 आएंगे. That is the general you know, tendency, and then, you know, what they think, that, you know, this was a teacher who was expensive.
Exactly.
I am going to get a teacher in a cheaper bracket, okay?
Right.
So if I'm paying this teacher 45k, maybe I'm going to get a teacher for 25. Now, the another scenario is that I believe that schools actually should be maintained and run by educationists, not by a liquor baron or a builder or someone who has nothing to do with education.
Exactly.
Yeah, there should be a person who really understands education, who really understands children, who understands what he expects from his teachers, what kind of principal should run the show. He must have a vision. तो जाके there will be a change in education. आज के teachers, I would like to share a very nice experience. I was sharing it with them just a few minutes back. We wanted to meet the chief minister. So in NGTO, I left a message. I said that the chief minister is coming to our city and he'll be there and let's meet him. You'll be amazed. There were 11 teachers. Okay, there were 11 teachers who actually
Out of a crowd of
yes, so about 450 teachers are there. Okay, and I don't know what their priority is in life, but whatever we were doing, it was concerning them only, right? But that's it. But it doesn't make a difference to me. Whatever I am doing because this is what my parents taught me. It is standing up for what is right. That is what I am doing. The education which I have been given by my parents and by my gurus, I am proud of them and I will never let them down. That is my promise.
So you mean to say the government is not taking any extra care of the educators just because they are not able to take the stand for their own?
You see, there are many things. Okay, let me start step by step. In our country, it is a constitutional right to join any organization, provided that organization should not harm the country. So, you have laborers who have union. You have doctors who have union. You have bank employees who have union, right?
Yes.
You have postal staff, they have union of their own, and the teachers are afraid to have an organization. I mean, don't you think it's strange? There is another thing, but I laugh whenever I get the time, I actually enjoy. Okay? There are school managements who object to a teacher joining an organization. It is so straight. If you are actually running a school, I think you should take care of your teachers. It is your moral responsibility because they are your employees. They should be getting all the benefits which is required of an employee, right? But in our country, schools are generally built by people who got lots of money, with huge amount of capital is involved. So these people, they are actually, most of them are not connected to education as such. They have targeted this particular education sector as something where you actually generate a huge amount of revenue. Now, they don't actually follow the norms which is given by the government. So you will find teachers of a particular category, say for that matter PRT or PPT, in one school getting 3,000 rupees a month, which is peanuts. And you have the same grade of teacher in some other school getting maybe 6,000. So there is a major discrepancy. Okay, so how is it happening? That means there is no one to monitor. Okay, everywhere you go to any district, there is a DE, district education officer. Now, the district education officer, it is the responsibility of the district education officer to ensure that ये सब चीजें जो है there is a standardized approach to all these things in the school. I don't know. Once upon a time, there were only the management and the DO interacting. Okay, and you know why? When Corona came into the picture, this is the first time when actually teachers are going and interacting with the DO. Because we have cases where teachers have been terminated without notice. There are cases where teachers did not get their salary. There are cases where a principal was told by a clerk that, madam, आप तो बस हो गया ना मैडम, आप घर जाइए, और दूसरा प्रिंसिपल आ गया. So such embarrassing incidents are there in our country, in this state. So मुझे ना तब लगता है that वाकई में education needs a major restructuring. जिसमें I think that there should be a private education commission, a body which should actually monitor and look into all aspects of private schools, so that these kind of people do not take advantage of the teachers of the education system, just so that they can earn their revenue.
Yes.
It is wrong. Guru hai. I mean, हमारे संस्कार, our culture, we respect gurus. We keep them in the same pedestal as God. And our वो guru, you'll be amazed to hear that वो मनरेगा में मजदूरी कर रहा है. Okay, I have gurus, वो फल बेच रहा है, सब्जी बेच रहा है. What rubbish! आज there are countries where the teachers are VVIPs. Even the police cannot arrest them without a proper a document. Sorry. They sit in the front row. वो है teachers. और we talk, हमारे देश में we talk big, we are builder of a nation, फलाना. But क्या teacher तो वो जा रहे हैं वो, they go there, वो कहाँ vote में, they are going there. Survey.
Exactly.
I mean, what rubbish! आप यहाँ आप बोल रहे हैं teacher is builder of a nation, and the next breath this teacher is going for election. The teacher is going for a consensus. They go to people's houses and they're asking for number of members.
Number of animals also.
It is so embarrassing.
Yes.
Question is so powerful. इसमें इतना कुछ है. I can talk about this thing for, at length I can go on and on and on, and I really get, sometimes वाकई में मैं लगता है कि मैं किसके लिए लड़ रहा हूँ. Okay? Because a person जिसके लिए मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, I don't think that person is actually bothered. वो लगता है जैसा there are some, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि there are teachers who are sitting at home and just watching us.
Just simply
And that is the only
क्या रहे हैं?
Yes.
देखते हैं. Okay, but the thing is, it is your movement. If you sit there and watch, तो you are actually you're never going to enjoy this movement then. Right? Freedom struggle में there were so many people from different castes, creed, color, and they joined together. It was a mass movement. ठीक है? And उन लोगों ने they have lovely memories. जिन लोग अभी they are alive, if you sit with them and talk to them, so they will they will really share excellent memories.
Beauty of unity.
Yes, and these are things which I think these create movements. ठीक है? तो ये होना चाहिए. Teachers में वो जज्बा होना चाहिए, right? To stand up when for what is right. बिल्कुल वो होना चाहिए. इतना तो जिगर होना चाहिए.
Yes.
अगर टीचर हो तो भाई आइडियल द्रोणाचार्य. ऐसे देखो ना, there are stalwarts here. ठीक है, तो ऐसे जिगर वाले टीचर के बारे में आइडलाइज करो, यू नो, जिसको सोचते ही यू नो यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग करेंट्स कि हाँ यस मजा आया,
ये
राइट?
बदलाव है।
या
एग्जैक्टली। बाकी तो ठीक है, व्हेन इट कम्स, जब हमारा वीडियो हमने चलाया कि दैट सब विल द नेक्स्ट प्लेस क्वेश्चन आए, बट देख तो आप देख सकते हैं इस शो में कि बहुत लोगों ने अपना नाम हिडन कर दिया। Why? ये तो सर बहुत बड़ी बात कर रहे हैं शायद, ये तो छोटी सी चीज थी, बट फिर भी they don't want to come ahead, they don't want to come on the screen, they don't want to face anything, they just want answers of the question. But I think this was the best answer to the question of every educator. शायद आने वाले आगे के क्वेश्चंस भी सर ने इसी क्वेश्चन के साथ कवर कर लिए होंगे आई थिंक, बट देन टू बहुत सारे हिडन क्वेश्चंस तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि सर को पता चले कि क्या मेंटालिटी रखते टीचर्स, जस्ट दिस सिट एंड वॉच। सो लेट्स प्रोसीड अहेड।
यू नो, टीचर्स अपने बारे में बिल्कुल सोचें, राइट? आज वो कहाँ है, और यू नो नो वन वांट्स टू बी अ टीचर। बहुत मजेदार चीज है, ओके?
बाय चॉइस और बाय चांस।
हाँ, अच्छा, मैं जो ये कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, when you post it, so there will be some people who will say no, I want to be a teacher. See, there are exceptions, ठीक है ना? But in general, no one, आप ऐसे ही स्कूल में बोला आप बोलो, no one wants to be a teacher. Why? तो टीचर जो है ना, वो अपने ही उस पे you know I think there are so many reasons. There are teachers वो बच्चे को ऐसा मारा कि कान से खून निकल आया, नाक से खून निकल आया, ओके? There are teachers जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, दुनिया भर के स्कूल में सब हो रहा है। There are teachers जिनके language is so pathetic कि वो गाली गलौज and they abuse and stuff. There are teachers जो बच्चों से सिगरेट मंगवाते हैं, right? And वो अपने नशे का, अब आप and then you expect teachers to be respectful. तो ये ऐसा नहीं होता, right? तो there are many things जहाँ teachers are responsible, ठीक है? Apart from that, the government has never, you know, आपको मालूम है, you can't go to a labor court, you know, if you have a complaint. We you know,
We have not.
हाँ, you know, कुछ है ही नहीं।
Yes, कुछ है।
आप जाओ, you have a, the best example is वो Indus World School, and they had this, there were 42 teachers, okay? There were 42 teachers, and they stood up. And what happened? Management, everyone, सब हिल गया एकदम. That is how teachers should work. They should be united. हमारे teachers united नहीं है, मालूम? I am a social teacher, she is a social teacher. She will talk bad about me, I will talk bad about her. कहाँ? In front of the management. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे बड़ा बनना है, तो मुझे, you know, there are two ways to become बड़ा. How? If you want to be big, that is, you do so many, you know, activities with yourself that you actually become बड़ा. That is one. और दूसरे को काट के छोटा करो, ठीक है? Now that is easy.
Exactly.
Okay? but इसमें तो क्या है, बहुत मेहनत जाएगा. But if I want to be, you know, a very good social teacher, so what do? I will be, you know, I have to cover my syllabus from NCERT book. I will take out pre-sent board, foreign authors and बहुत सारे, okay? I'm going to read all those things, and I'm going to prepare my lesson plan in such a way that, you know, my students get something extra, right? Now, in the process, what happens? I know more, and you know, I enjoy what I'm doing, and I have a huge fan following, right? Why? Because, you know, the students, they love when I teach. Now, on the other hand, this teacher, the other teacher, you know, what does she do or what does he do? She or he copies my notes, asks my children, my students, क्या कराना है, okay? And why don't you also invest time? And you do, or you ask her or him, आप कैसे पढ़ाते हो? What do you study? हाँ, what do you read? मुझे भी पढ़ना है. I also want to be a good social teacher. ठीक है, पढ़ना है. Teachers have ego. I am facing it. You know, there are so many teachers I'm interacting with them, you know. So I tell everyone in the group also, whenever I'm interacting with anyone, I say, whenever you are interacting with anyone, please maintain that decorum. Respect the other person, okay? Because you are a teacher. हम आम जनता से ऊपर हैं. We are not normal people. We are gurus, okay? So respect the other person and have a very positive interaction. आपको लग रहा है अगला is getting repulsive or acting थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही वो harsh and stuff like that. So you can always say, sir, I think this is not the right moment to interact with you, right? We will talk some other time. आप चले जाओ. But instead आप वहाँ खड़े होके you start abusing and then I think that you're not suitable to be a teacher. कल का वाक्य है. There were two teachers. They started talking based on religion. I said that हम लोग जब पढ़ाते हैं ना, why in a school we have uniforms? Why? Everyone is same. In the army we have uniforms. Why? Everyone is same. वहाँ कोई जैन, कोई सिख, कोई क्रिश्चियन, कोई मुस्लिम नहीं, right? So as a teacher also, it's like that you should not. मैं किसी को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, when I'm teaching the whole class, मैं थोड़ी कोई classify करता हूँ कि I am teaching a Muslim or I am teaching a Jain or I am teaching a Sikh. I never classify. तो then teachers के अंदर ये हीन भावना नहीं आना चाहिए. You should be like, I think that we should be so large-hearted that कि पूरा देश मेरे में समा जाए. ये चीज क्या है? This is so cheap. तो the things, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो इस पे we have to work it out. बहुत सारी. It's I think वाकई में आज मैं फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that we have taken independence very casually. Please carry on, please go.
Yes. So my next question is, again, the candidate don't want to disclose the name.
Oh
So,
my God.
do you think this generation will ever think to become a teacher after seeing the conditions of the scenario, present scenario of the teachers in COVID-19?
See, it's a good question because I'll give my example first. I taught this girl about 7 years back, and that time she said, "Sir, I want to be like you." I said, now 11, 12 में बच्चा हुआ रहता ना, तो I did not. I said, fine, very good, I'm so proud of you. But watching, she became a teacher. And so teacher क्या है, we are role models for many people. We can't smoke in public. We can't drink in public. It's a livelihood. Why? Because there are so many students out there. They are watching it, okay? And you will break their heart, okay? You can't do that. It's a livelihood, okay? अच्छा, ये professionally it's so noble that you can't do all these cheap stuff there outside, okay? Now, so there are teachers who are actually motivators and they do it, okay? And उनके कारण teachers बनते हैं. Because of them, we have teachers. And but yes, things will change. See, it is the darkest before dawn, and I believe that the pandemic आया, right? मैं इसलिए खुश हूँ कि जो इससे darkest तो मतलब क्या मानो कि जो सुबह जो भोर जो मैं अब देखने वाला हूँ ना, उसमें तो जन्नत ही जन्नत. तो and I am happy every day. I think about that and I become very happy. Okay? So ठीक है, ये दिन भी बीत जाएंगे. And there are things which this pandemic has taught us. And बहुत सारे मुखौटे उतर गए. तो I think that we should appreciate that, क्योंकि if it would have been a normal scenario, तो ये आपको पता ही नहीं चलता. Number one, teachers would have been happy being exploited. You would have Sushant dying of suicide. Okay. Disha Salian dying of suicide. That's not normal. Okay, because everyone was busy. But Corona, there are so many things which has happened in our country, and we had time. अपना तो कुछ काम ही नहीं था, तो we had ample amount of time, so everyone was watching the TV, and we came to know so many things. So, teaching as a profession has been noble before, okay? And it is now. It is for those people who really take pains in preparing a lesson before they teach, in thinking about the students' difficulties, and they try to find out ways and means to solve their questions. Okay? So for those teachers, my respect to those teachers, and because of them, I guess in this country we will have more teachers.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all good with that.
ओके, तो जो टीचर्स ये सोच रहे हैं कि टीचर्स का सम्मान कम हो गया है या टीचर्स को कुछ नहीं मिलता इस प्रोफेशन में, वो ऐसा ना सोचे. टीचर्स का रिस्पेक्ट पहले भी था, आज भी है और आगे भी उतना ही रहेगा.
There is duration पे यदि टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट पहले करें. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दिस कि पहले टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट करे, उसके बाद ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
You see, I guess we should respect every human being. As a teacher, it is my duty to teach this to my children, my students. Okay, this is, I mean, the new education policy ये जो आया है ना, इसमें इस पे जोर दिया गया है. क्यों? They have talked about 3 language system. Q, because now, we talked about patriotism, right? Few minutes back. क्यों ये सब किया गया? So that ये जो हमारे देश के जितने भी बच्चे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they should understand this country, they should love this country, they should feel that they belong to this country. तो अगर sense of belonging नहीं है, आज मुझे आप बताओ, there are people who went to those countries abroad to earn. Pandemic आया, है ना? तो नानी याद आ गई. Get the point? So they came back to this country, है ना? Now, I guess that all of us, it is our responsibility कि इस देश को, ये जो देश जो once upon a time it was really, it was excellent. So it is now our duty कि देश को flourish कराना है. We should have principles. सिद्धांत. We should stick to those principles. जो हमारे संस्कार में कोई नया कुछ भी नहीं है. We have forgotten all those things. And I think that we stick to those principles and carry on with our life. I'm sure that ये देश again दूध की नदियाँ बहेंगी.
फिर से उठेगा.
फिर से. तो फिर क्या है? Exactly. तो फिर हम लोग उससे बहुत कुछ करेंगे.
Yeah.
It's just a joke.
ऐसे ही जब फिर से पैंडेमिक में एक नया सवाल आया है और जो आपको इन सारी बातों से रिलेट करेगा और आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. हमारे वीडियोस में बहुत मजा आस्किंग फ्रॉम सपना बंदर. शी इज टीचिंग.
Very old friend of mine. If you're watching, so Sapna, madam, very good afternoon, very good evening, whatever time you see this video. We have lovely memories. Yeah, please.
On this pandemic versus the teachers' economic situations no one is ready to take initiative. Even teachers themselves also. What should be the best alternative to boost them?
Number one, saddest part, the most tragic part is a teacher does not know anything else other than teaching. ये ना सबसे बड़ा tragedy Okay, you know, a teacher who's teaching in class grade 4 or 6 or 7, you know, ये एक बहुत बड़ा एक tragedy है that, you know, apart from teaching, if you ask them कि, you know, और कुछ नहीं, मेरे को तो बस पढ़ाने आता है. So I think that is number one drawback. Okay. Apart from that, you know, teachers do not upgrade themselves. And there are so many things to learn. Now you have online teaching. वो है classes है Harvard University, Stanford University of Texas. They have their own courses and stuff, and that is free. Pandemic pay, they have, you know, they are not charging anything, so they can do all that. There are so many things to upgrade yourself. Apart from that, you know, I guess that a teacher should always be very very dynamic and watch what is happening. वो teacher मेरे को ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि you know, the teacher waits. नहीं होगा. कोरोना ना इंडिया में
पहले हो जाए, देखते हैं सब क्या कर रहे हैं,
They
हम
wait.
करेंगे.
They should see, you know, they should anticipate. नहीं, ये ऐसा होना है, right? तो what do we do? अच्छा, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? अच्छा, so there are cases where the husband lost his job, the wife started, you know, a catering business and stuff, and it went on. It is going on lovely everywhere. So she has a good clientele and stuff. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, नई चीजें people have started. तो you know, and then Modi ji has said Atmanirbhar Bharat. So you can always you know, think about doing something of your own. And the most important thing is to identify what you specialize in. एक बार वो हो जाए तो I think sky is the limit. Like Sachin Tendulkar, he understood that, you know, कि I am a good batsman, I love cricket, and I will do well in this particular profession, and he did it. So the teacher has to identify.
Great thoughts. Great. हम इस ज्ञान की गंगा में बस बहते चले जा रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है. एंड हाईली मोटिवेटेड हम खुद यहाँ बैठकर हो रहे, जो पॉजिटिव बातें और जो पॉजिटिव कारण से आज हमें यहाँ मिल रहा है. तो अब आते हैं हमारे अगले प्रश्न पर. हमारा अगला प्रश्न है कि टीचर्स आर ऑलवेज वरीड फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ देयर स्टूडेंट्स, बट व्हाई पेरेंट्स आर नॉट वरीड फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ देयर किड्स मेंटर्स? Are the parents just showing off fake respect towards the teachers?
You see, this question, you know, is location based. Okay, you go to an industrial city where you find engineers and doctors. You know, the parents, they will respect. You know, they come in PTM and they come, they interact with you. The first thing that they tell their children, hey, chalo, madam, sabke pair chho, hai na, wish kiye. So, you know, they start like this, and then they are going to talk to the teacher in this way, like, you know, कि सर वो बुक फेयर लगा है, तो फिजिक्स का कौन सा बुक लेना है, सर क्लास 9th में है, तो सर बता दें आप प्लीज, so that hey, सुनो, jot down करो, लिखो, okay. So, you know, it is all location centered. Whereas, you know, when in Indore, there are nice parents also. ऐसा नहीं है. See, the background should be there of education in the parents. If they have a solid background, they will never disrespect the teachers. That is very very important. So number one is जो हम लोग हिंदी में संस्कार बोलते हैं, culture. That family should have a very strong culture and the background of education. If they have, they are never going to disrespect them. Okay? I mean a good teacher. Okay? Because teacher may be real good and bad, right? So they will always respect them. And अब कुछ when it is lacking, बाकी और क्या बोलूँ? The opposite is
ओके, तो यहाँ हम पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि अभी जो पेंडेमिक का दौर चल रहा है, यहाँ हम सबको एक दूसरे की मदद करते हुए इस सिचुएशन को ओवरकम करना है. तो प्लीज़ आप भी कोई भी गलत धारणा मन में रखकर ना चलें. स्कूल को, एजुकेशन को, सिस्टम को सपोर्ट करें. और प्लीज़ अगर आप अपने बच्चे की फीस टाइम पर पे करेंगे तो शायद आपके बच्चों के टीचर्स का घर चल पाएगा. पे करिए और हमारे टीचर्स की लाइफ को सेव करिए, जो आपके बच्चों का भविष्य बना रहे हैं।
So, before before we actually complete the show, I can't leave without this song. And बाकी जो है आस्ते आस्ते आप देखते जाएंगे, okay? And I guess you'll enjoy it. गाना बहुत कॉमन है, right? मरहमी सा शाद है तू, दिल जला सा मैं अंधेरा, एक दूजे के लिए है नींद मेरी, ख्वाब तेरा, तू घटा है फुहार की, मैं घड़ी इंतजार की, अपना मिलना लिखा इसी बरस है ना, जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाती है, नाम की कोई सड़क है ना, जो मेरे दिल को दिल बनाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई सड़क है ना. So with this we end the show, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon of Vision Sparks. भूलना मत, please. I repeat, Vision Sparks. Spelling देखना as a teacher. कोई टीचर यही बोलता है ना, please look at the spelling, don't make a mistake, and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.